Okay, my monopod and everything's already bundled up, right? I got a long trek ahead of me, but I'm so excited. I'm on my way. This is going to be so special. No pressure today. I'm just going to enjoy today absolutely thoroughly, right? You know, still get stuff done, but today is for me. It's special, right? It's for me. It's for the people that I serve, the little creatures of the forest. Oh, I'm so excited. And you know what? For my viewers, right? You know, I do this for you in the end. Well, that's a little bit of a lie. I do it for myself too. But it's going to be so much fun. I'm so proud of myself. Look at the job I did on this, right? I'm so glad I decided to separate the two sleds, right? Because now I can take them out downstairs. They're not too heavy for me, and I got my knapsack and everything. I'm all ready to go. Yeah, let's get out of here. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. There won't be any sun, right? But maybe we'll get some snow. Wouldn't that set the scene nicely? Oh, yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. And you know what? If the universe wanted to show us a little miracle today, wouldn't that be appreciated, right? Yeah, it feels like a miracle day today. Okay, let's get out of here. Look at that. 5 minutes of extra planning last night and thinking up this little system, and I think it's going to work perfectly for me. I'm a genius. Seriously, I am. I got a little double-decker going on, right? I got my wire cutters so I can just snip that all apart, and I'm just going to get that up there safe and sound. I have no doubt on that. Hey, let's go. So this idea came to me about a month ago. I didn't know I was going to associate it with Evan's tour, right? But then when I was thinking, I wanted to really do a testimonial because he's helped me out so much, right? I'm just going to turn the phone off and listen to see the birds, what trees the birds are in, and, watch for rabbit poops and stuff like that. And just, maybe I can get up on a limb or something, right? And just sit there and look down with my camera. I really wanted to do a time lapse, but I was concerned about the battery, right? I want to make sure that I got everything. I found a really pretty little spot here. Lots of deer trails in here, so the deers are crossing in here. And I found myself a little clearing, a pretty little spot all set up. Evan, this is for you. I thought I would do this, built to serve, Cindy style. You wouldn't expect anything less from me, would you? I've got my camping chair here. My system on getting my sled out here worked absolutely just perfect. And yeah, so this is an old sled that I had in my locker, and I was clearing out my locker. And yeah, I made these little partitions and the trays and decorated up. I got some apples and some radishes for the deers, and I got some peanuts from the squirrels. These are little spinach things that I thought the deer might like. Lots of bird seeds and carrots. And I made 2 pans, cookie sheets of cornbread, and I diced it all up because all animals love cornbread for sure. They'll enjoy that. And there's some coleslaw mix for the rabbits, right? And more bird seed and some cranberries and a bell and some popcorn. And yeah, and this is Evan's book. Evan, I'm doing this for Evan's tour, right? But he also has a book coming out this spring also. So I thought maybe I would, put a little shout out there for his book because, Evan put a lot of love into it, right? And it's going to help so many people. Look at, I'm serving squirrels and deers and yeah, but at the same time, I'm serving my viewers and I'm serving Evan, hopefully, right? And showing him some love. I actually had a picture of his book that I wanted to print off, right? And put it right there. But at the last minute, I had to kind of improvise. But hopefully that works because I am thankful, I am grateful, and I am blessed. You know, Evan's helped me out so much over the past few years, right? You know, my channel was suffering. It was floundering really, really bad, right? I almost lost my brand. You know, I almost gave up, and you know, he taught me how to never ever give up. Never give up, right? And yeah, I just wanted to show him how much I appreciate him. And you know, like, yeah, he's, like I said, he's done so much for me, and he's such a gift to the world, right? Like, he's such a gift. And you know, hopefully I get the opportunity to shout his praises, you know, my whole life on my platforms, right? You know, so grateful, so thankful. But yeah, so now Cindy's got to be quiet because, you know, she wants some animals, right? Like I said, I don't even know if this is going to work. But yeah, time for a little lunch for me. And yeah, just sit here and be a little bit quiet, and let's see what comes around, okay? It's been so long since I seen a horse. Look how beautiful that horse is. Yeah, spectacular. I am having such a great time. I'm just dragging my sled around and just stopping and chit-chatting with everybody this afternoon. I'm having so much fun, but haven't stayed in any place any great length of time to actually, yeah, get my animals on camera. You know, they keep jumping on the sled, but then they fly away as soon as I make a move, right? So, yeah, I'll stop. I'll stop for a little bit of a break, and I'll just listen for the birds, and I'll pick a good spot. Can you see the rack on that deer? That is a big stag, that one. Yeah. But I have an apple here. I was trying to entice him over with an apple. And there's a couple of more deer right there, and there's a couple behind me, and they have like see, you can see the deer paths into the bush. So this is a favorite spot. I actually bumped into a couple of ladies who walk the park every day, and they said this was the best spot. And yeah, look at them. I guess they come in here because there's less people, right? But yeah, if they only knew what I had going on my sled, right? Oh well. Let's go see if we can get some. The birds are starting to go crazy. They're dancing around the trees in swarms. Not quite brave enough. They know I'm here, but I'm not moving, right? So we'll see. We'll see. It's the little chickadees that are so brave, like the little teeny weeny ones. Look at, like just the little teeny ones. if you guys can see, but the deer are all down there. They want to come here so bad. They're all pacing, right? They're all pacing, trying to decide whether or not to come. They can see the birds and they can hear the birds are excited for food, right? I feel bad. Like I would like to walk away and let them come to it, but I sure would have liked to have filmed them eating their apples and things. That would have made me happy. It's nice to know that they're going to get it all when I leave. Maybe I'll just dump the whole tray right here. I was going to come back tomorrow. But, oh, look at those. Can you guys see those deer down there? I don't know how many there are, but yeah, they're pacing and doing a little running after each other. You can tell they're a little bit excited, so. But the birds are enjoying these, and I know if I shut up, I bet you that whole tray would be covered in birds, right? I bet you they would just all be covered in birds. See them all? Look at all the deer. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. They're coming. The deer are coming, everybody. Everybody, the deer are coming. The deer are coming. I'm so excited. I could just cry. This is my miracle. I knew it. Don't give up, Cindy. Find another spot. Find another spot. Look at the deer. Look at the deer. They want to come. The deer some space. See if they come now that I've given them a little bit more space, right? Yeah, they see the birds eating and enjoying the tray, the sled. They'll be here in 1 minute, you guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I can't believe it. See them? See them? See them? They're all in there, all in the bush there. This one here is almost ready. He's getting ticked that these birds are getting his dinner. Yeah, he'll be over here in a minute. And he's gonna fight these other deer saying, "Stay away from my sled, that's all mine." Here he comes. Was this not the best idea? Seriously, I'm having the best day ever. I almost feel like this present is for me, but yeah, it's all for Evan. It's all for Evan, right? He did so much for me. I have a fighting chance now. I have a fighting chance with my brand. Because I know it's a good idea. I know it's a good idea. I just haven't found the right formula yet. Come on, you guys. Look at them all. Look at all those deer. Can you see them? Can you see the deer? Here he comes. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming, you guys. He's coming. I'm so excited. Come on. Don't go. Oh, don't go. Yeah, he's going. Look at all the... Can you guys see all those deer? Can you see all those deer? Should I use... I don't think they're gonna come near. Oh, he's coming. See him? See him? He's right there. I guess he's boss. Oh no, she's a doe. Yeah, a doe wouldn't be boss. They're all does. I don't see any horns. Oh yes, I do. There's a young one right there. Like the trees are covered in birds. Like the trees are covered in birds. They're just all waiting for me to leave, right? They're coming. Oh my God, you guys, I'm gonna get these deer. I'm gonna get these deer. I'm gonna get these deer. I'm so excited. I could pee myself. Don't leave that in the video. Okay. They're all coming. They're getting brave. They're almost here. They're almost here. This one's right here. This is the most beautiful thing. Okay, I moved away from the tray. They know I moved away for them. So I think they're gonna come. My battery is almost done on this phone. So please come to the tray. I hope they understand that I moved away so that they could come to the tray. They're here. They're here. They're here. This would make me so happy. I know they get a taste of an apple and that would be it. He's almost there. Oh my God. My battery may run out soon, it says. Oh my gosh, come on you guys. Come on. Can you see them all? Can you see them all? Can you see them all? Oh, thank you so much for this moment. I knew if I didn't give up. There's the buck right there. There's the buck. Can you see the buck? Look at them. Look at them. Come on, please. My battery's gonna run out, you guys. Two bucks. My battery's gonna run out. They're all just standing there waiting for me to leave. They're all just standing there waiting for me to leave. Come on, the big buck. The big buck, come on. You're the man of the house. Come and get your dinner. Yeah, takes a woman. Come on. Oh no, that's a baby buck. Young buck, but that's the big buck. I guess he has to eat first. Please, battery. Please, battery. Please, battery. Look at everybody stopping. Evan, look at everybody. Everybody's stopping.